Shweta, our colleague, joining us from outside the iconic Leopold Cafe. Shweta, why don't you speak to people? We want to hear them. How are the Mumbaikars reacting to this development? Tahavu Rana brought back to India to face justice.
Well, absolutely. Before I talk to people, let me show you the grim visuals from the iconic Leopold Cafe, where the owners, they ensured that these marks should remain intact, which actually narrates the ordeal of the most deadly attack, that is of 26/11 Mumbai terror attack. In fact, moving further, we'll just speak to some of the people out here. Meanwhile, there are certainly, again, marks of the gunshots, in fact, the broken walls, in fact, the glasses are also remained intact here. And remember, when it comes to the Leopold Cafe, 6 customers with 2 waiters of this particular Leopold Cafe were killed. In fact, moving further, we'll just talk to some of the people over here, but quickly, let's also look at the visuals over here. Plus, talking about this particular cafe, we have seen that people are coming here. There have been the kind of footfall which we can witness. But meanwhile, we'll also talk to people about the 26/11 attack. Sir, आप मुंबई से हैं? नहीं, आप मुंबई से नहीं. Well, this is one of the main point where people do come here. This is the tourist spot of South Mumbai, and here you can have a brief look how people are here. But yes, when it comes to the terror attack, remember, this gives nerve chilling. In fact, the kind of fateful night what 26 November 2008 Leopold Cafe witnessed, nobody from the staff, the older staff of course, can ever forget. We also will try to speak with some of the people out here. But meanwhile, I'll also check some of the people. You know, it's about 26/11 terror attack and how we have India has seen one of the most brutal attack. How do you remember the day? And especially when Tahavu Rana, one of the main plotter of 26/11, is being brought to India. The justice would be served.
Honestly, I just got to know about this place, that this is related to the 26/11. I just got to know it from my friend right now only, and we came here into this restaurant. Honestly, I was a bit too young at that point of time. I was just around 6 years old at that point of time, so I don't remember a lot of what happened at that point of time. But that terror attack is actually a very bad picture that Pakistan portrayed into India.
Absolutely. This is the word which we are getting to learn, where it's about that picture, about terrorism, where no Indian, no Mumbaikar can ever forget, where more than 160 people were killed. And here at Leopold Cafe, as I've shown you how these marks, they remind us of the terrorism. These remind us of Lashkar-e-Taiba, how 2 terrorists, they opened gunfire. In fact, how mercilessly they were killing people, and there was this entire sound of gunshots, and nobody was, in fact,
You're
ready
right, Shweta,
for what
which is
has
why
happened.
we say never forget, never forgive.